Get a feel for the 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz. This capable Santa Cruz delivers premium comfort, a smooth, quiet ride, and utility fit for adventurers. High-end design and high-tech equipped, it blends sophistication with remarkable versatility. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, backup camera, premium sound system, satellite radio, cooled front seat, heated mirrors. Versatility blends beautifully with sophisticated comfort in this remarkable Santa Cruz. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.